How's it going, everyone, and welcome to the Filmmaking Bootcamp. My name is Stefan and I go online by the name of KINOMENTOR. I've designed this filmmaking bootcamp for you so that you can learn to speak with a new language, the visual language. You will be an unstoppable filmmaking machine. In this course, you will be learning how to use your camera in manual mode, how to use lighting to enhance your shots, how to use audio to boost your soundscapes. And we'll talk also about editing and creating emotional rhythm that keeps your viewers interested in the story you have to tell all the way till the end. So if you're a YouTuber, if you're a vlogger, if you are a blogger, if you are an aspiring filmmaker, all of these tips and tricks will help you to enhance your visuals and communicate your stories to another level. So if you're ready to learn some new skills and have fun along the way, this filmmaking bootcamp course is designed for you. You will get all the skills necessary to become an unstoppable filmmaking machine. And I can guarantee you one thing, you'll get out of this course with visual power.